Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a super simple habit that many people swear by for a great start to their day. Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning. It might sound incredibly basic, but this simple ritual can bring a surprising number of benefits that your body will really thank you for. So, why warm lemon water? Well, let's break it down. First off, it's a fantastic way to kickstart your hydration. After a long night's sleep, your body is naturally a bit dehydrated. Reaching for a glass of warm water with lemon immediately rehydrates you in a gentle way. It's much more refreshing than plain cold water for some, and the warmth is easy on your system. Think of it as gently waking up your internal organs and getting everything moving after a night of rest. Beyond just hydration, lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is a powerhouse for your immune system. We talked about how important vitamin C is in a previous video, and this is just another easy way to get a good dose of it. This little citrus boost helps your body's defenses stay strong, making you better equipped to fight off those everyday sniffles and bugs. It's like giving your body's protective shield a little extra polish every morning. Another great benefit is how it can help with digestion. The warmth of the water, combined with the acids in lemon, can help stimulate your digestive system. For many, it acts as a gentle nudge to get things moving and can help prevent that sluggish feeling. It's not a magic cure for all digestive issues, but it can certainly help prepare your stomach for the day's food and promote smoother digestion overall. Some people even find it helps with occasional bloating. Plus, warm lemon water can be a great alternative to reaching for coffee right away if you're trying to cut back on caffeine. While it doesn't give you a jolt like coffee, the freshness of the lemon can be surprisingly energizing and uplifting. It's a clean, natural way to feel more awake and focused without the jitters. The bright, tangy scent can also be quite invigorating and help clear your mind. So, next time you wake up, instead of immediately grabbing your usual drink, try this simple habit. Just a glass of warm water with the juice of half a lemon. It's an easy, affordable, and natural way to support your body's health from the inside out. Give it a try for a week or two and see how you feel. What's your favorite morning ritual? Let me know in the comments below.